We are proud to present the second batch of supplies to you. We look forward to seeing these custom-made products making a meaningful impact on your students. Thank you for entrusting us with your Hebrew School curriculum each year. As always, our goal is to make your experience as seamless as possible by ensuring you receive everything you need. To do that, please watch the unboxing video carefully. Go through all your items and all the quantities in each sub-package to ensure everything is accounted for. As items were packed in China, it is possible that some packages do not have all correct quantities. If any items are missing, scan the QR code to fill out the form for missing supplies. The form will be open from December 20th to January 5th. After this period, you will no longer be able to submit a request for missing supplies. In the past, we've had some people incorrectly fill out the forms only to find the missing items later. Please double check your box to ensure all items you ordered are included, as this does affect our ability to serve other shluchim. Please note the Jerusalem candlesticks and their stickers are coming in a separate box at a slightly later date, approximately 2 weeks after you receive your initial box.
This is the box that you'd be receiving from Sea Kids. I'm going to open it up. So take out all the items. Be sure to look inside. You should have your papers. There's these two papers that are inside. It could be at the bottom or top of your box, but make sure to take them out. This is going to be the one to go through all your items to make sure you have the correct amount. And this are important notes that I'm first going to separate my per class packages and per student. Look at your two big packages. They should have a label on it. This one says per student. And this one says class package. And then I'm just going to separate my items. So I have my class package over here. I'm going to put my grout, my laser beams, and my Kosher Co. banners. And then the per student is this package, as well as the mini food items, the citric acid, and the bag of cloves. Jerusalem candlesticks you'll receive in a separate shipment. They'll come with the Jerusalem candlesticks and the stickers inside. You'll be receiving that separately. I'm going to first go through the class packages. So first I have my grout. I'm going to check it off on my list. I have the 3 laser beams with the batteries that come with it. And then I have these Kosher Co. banners. You will notice that the class package also comes with one that's pre-packed. These are 4 extra ones for a total of 5. So now I'm going to open this bag to make sure I have all the items that I need. For lesson 9, you're going to have these trick candles. One is a regular candle that has a label on it. The other one are trick candles that turn back on after you blow them out. For lesson 10, we have a wine box, a lock, and 4 gift of Shabbat bags. For lesson 11, we have the Hachnasas Arachim cards. There are 6 sets. You'll see 6 rubber band sets. For lesson 12, you have already the laser beams that we put aside, as well as the animal tablecloth. That's this. And finally, you have, again, this extra Kosher Co. banner and 100 food cups. The student packages, I'm first going to go through the items that were not put in the pre-packed bags. We have the bag of cloves, the cup of citric acid, and the mini food items. So I'm going to check them off my list. Now I'm going to open up this per student package. For lesson 8, you're going to get these bracelets. As it says, it's 15 bracelets, 3 double-sided bracelets per student. For lesson 9, Shabbat lights, you have these candle lighting cards, 1 per student. Again, you're going to see on your list those candlesticks and the stickers. Those are coming in a separate package. So We have bracelets, we have the candle cards. For lesson 10, you're gonna have these bendable Havdalah candles. It comes with 30 candlesticks. They're in here. I'm gonna open it up to show you. They come in red, blue, and yellow. Each of them are a set of 10. Still for lesson 10, we have our blue and our red mesh bags. We already have the cloves put aside, and then we have these Havdalah cards. Again, 1 per student. For lesson 11, Hachnasas Archim, we have the bag of citric acid. We then have these guest boxes. They also come with inserts inside that are going to be folded to be placed in each one. You have the bath bomb sets. It should be 5 bath bombs, so it's 10 halves. And then you have these mini bags. There should be a total of 10 mini bags. For lesson 12, kosher 1, you're going to have these mini containers. It's enough of 3 per student, the containers and the caps, with a parve meat and dairy label for each of them. That's gonna go with these items that the students are gonna put inside, the mini food items. For kosher number 2, you have these aprons, 1 per student. And lastly, for lesson 14, Kibbut Avim, you have these chocolate molds with the bags and the sticks and the twisties to put them in afterwards. This is the box you'll be receiving for the Shabbat candles with the stickers. So inside, you'll have the stickers, 1 per student that they're going to place on top. And then this is the box. It comes with the stones inside. There's some extra middle stones in case any became broken, as well as the tea light. These are the tea lights, each packaged. This arrived separately because it's heavy and could damage the other products, so keep that in mind when you're storing them, not to put them on anything that they can break.